I'm Sarah, professional makeup artist and licensed esthetician, and I'm going to show you how to apply eyeshadow for beginners. What you're going to need is a blending brush, an angled brush, and also a round tip flat brush. The first thing that you're going to want to do is select a color that is light to act as your highlighter. And you're going to want to apply that color as your base all over the lid and bring it all the way up to the brow bone and out. This gives you a nice foundation for blending with your next colors and making your eyes pop. Then what you're going to want to do is use your angled brush to put on a medium color of your choice that you might want to experiment with. We are going to use a nice light violet. It's very flattering for any eye shape and eye color. So you're just going to want to blot, if you will, this all over the eyelid. And then you can start kind of blending it in, rubbing it in. Now less is more because you're really going to be blending and you don't want it to look uneven. So once you have that on, you can stop there and go right to blending. If you were to do that, you would just take your blending brush and make some circles and just blend it out. Blend it out with short circles like that. And if you want to go a little bit further with it, you can select a color that's a little bit darker than your medium hue to go into the crease. You want to apply that with your angled brush, and you want to get that right here, right where there's a crease, and it's just going to create some depth to your eye and give your eye some dimension. You want to just blot it nice and light, very easy, just a nice rounded. And as you get more comfortable with this technique, it'll become easier for you. So just keep practicing and you'll get it. So then you'd come back in with your blending brush and just make some more circular motions to blend. For more tips and tricks, you can check out glowbysarah.com.